Ever missed a game-winning moment due to lag? Frustrated by slow load times and choppy graphics? Tired of your laptop overheating during intense matches? Annoyed by noisy fans that distract from gameplay? Worried your device can't handle new releases? Struggling with multitasking for gaming and schoolwork? Fed up with unreliable laptops that break easily? Wish your laptop could keep up with your skills? Introducing the ASUS TUF Gaming A15. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Built for gamers, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. Powered by AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 GPU delivers stunning visuals. Experience ultra-smooth gameplay on a 144Hz FHD display. Adaptive sync technology eliminates lag and stuttering. Multitask faster with 8GB DDR5 5600 Hz memory. Load games instantly with 512GB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD. Stay cool with dual 84-blade arc flow fans. Enjoy quiet performance even under heavy loads. Military-grade durability for peace of mind. Survives drops, vibration, humidity, and extreme temperatures. Ready for anything, gaming, studying, or streaming. Before, lag ruins your competitive edge. After, adaptive sync keeps you ahead of the game. Before, slow loading wastes precious time. After, PCIe Gen4 SSD launches games in seconds. Before, overheating forces you to take breaks. After, arc flow fans keep things cool and quiet. Before, your laptop struggles with multitasking. After, DDR5 memory handles gaming and schoolwork easily. Before, fragile devices break when you need them most. After, TUF Gaming. A15 is military-grade tough. Before, limited storage means deleting favorite games. After, 500GB SSD holds all your essentials. Before, outdated hardware can't run new titles. After, Ryzen 7000 series CPU runs the latest releases. Before, noisy fans interrupt your focus. After, arc flow fans offer silent cooling. Before, dim screens make details hard to see. After, 144Hz FHD display brings every detail to life. Before, poor audio ruins immersive experiences. After, DTS:X. Ultra delivers crystal clear sound. Before, Wi-Fi drops disconnect you mid-game. After, Wi-Fi 6 keeps you connected and fast. Before, upgrades are complicated and time-consuming. After, toolless design makes upgrades a breeze. Before, limited game access restricts your options. After, 90-day Xbox Game Pass unlocks 100-plus PC games. Before, keyboard feels unresponsive during intense play. After, RGB backlit keyboard reacts instantly. Before, battery dies in the middle of a session. After, robust 48Wh battery keeps you powered longer. Before, laptop can't handle outdoor environments. After, military-grade durability stands up to harsh conditions. Before, audio distractions break your concentration. After, AI noise cancellation keeps sound clear and focused. Before, storage upgrades require professional help. After, dual M2 NVMe slots allow easy expansion. Before, slow refresh rates hinder competitive play. After, 144Hz display gives you the edge. Before, limited brightness affects visibility. After, 250 nits brightness ensures clarity. Before, device overheats in technical scenarios. After, advanced cooling keeps performance stable. Before, you worry about reliability. After, MIL STD 817H tests guarantee toughness. Before, struggle to balance gaming and productivity. After, TF Gaming. A15 adapts to every need. Ready to upgrade your gaming experience? Get the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 today. Game harder, study smarter, work faster, no compromises. Don't settle for less. Choose military-grade reliability, ultra-smooth visuals, fast multitasking, and robust durability. ASUS TUF Gaming A15, built for winners. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Make every moment count with ASUS TUF Gaming A15. Your next victory starts here. Upgrade today, play without limits, ASUS TUF Gaming A15, ready for anything.